Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand a very important functionality, which is calculated field. Calculated field is being used in the pivot table when you required an extra field which is being used in order to do the calculation, which is not there in this data. So how to go about this? First of all, it's very important for us to understand the scenario. So I am taking item in the row option, number sold north and number sold south. Now there is one thing that I want to know. You may see the trend that sell of north is not greater than sales of south. Means sales of south is quite higher as compared to sales of north. So the thing that I'm interested in to know the difference, and I want to show that difference in this as a report also. So I need to add an extra field, and that has to be the calculated field, which telling me the difference of south and north sell. So how to go about this? So in order to do that, you need to go to option, field item sets, click over here, click on calculated field. There you will see the option of giving a name. I'm giving an appropriate name to this, that's going to be difference. And in the formula bar, whatever is written, just delete those options, and it's going to be very simple calculation that number of sold south going to be subtract with number of sold north, and then click on add. This field has been added, you may see that, and then click on OK. So you will see the difference. Not only this, I want to know the percentage of difference. So the simple calculation of percentage of difference is the highest value minus the lowest value divided by the lowest value. So in order to do that, I've set my cursor over here, options, value field sets, calculated field, and this time I'm going to give it percentage difference, and then the calculation is going to be number sold south minus number sold north, and I'm going to keep it in bracket, keeping in mind the BODMAS part, and then it has to be divided with number of sold north. Click on add, and here you may see this field also has been added, and click on OK. So you can see the difference is coming. Now only thing that need to be done, select this cell value and go to home and click on this percentage option. So this will be converted into percentage. So this is the percentage difference. This is how you can add and calculate it field whenever it's required. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.